on mute. I need everybody's camera on. Everyone stay on mute. I need everyone's camera on. Everybody stay on mute. Everybody turn your camera on. Everyone stay on mute. If you're driving, I'm kicking you out of this meeting. If I see your car moving, I am kicking you out of this meeting. If you're driving, pull over. Everyone turn your camera on and stay on mute. Everybody, cameras on, stay on mute. Everybody turn your cameras on, stay on mute. Unless you work for this office, turn your cameras on and stay on mute. Be still, don't walk around, got to see your face. Mr. Bador, got to see your face, not your shoulder. Got to see your face. Mr. Bador, got to see your face. Got to see everybody's face. Everybody, unless you work for this office, turn your camera on. Mr. Alsobrook, sit down somewhere. I need you to be still. While I'm calling the counter, everybody has to be still. If you're driving, I'll kick you out. No driving. All right, nobody else gets in. When I call your name, you need to hit that. Miss Patrick, sit down somewhere. No walking around. Find somewhere and sit down. Jocelyn Patrick, find somewhere and sit down. When I call your name, y'all hit the red microphone. Take yourself off mute and say here. All right. Lakeisha Gerald. Got position 15, Unique Evans and Peter Griffin.
Yes, y'all, we're ready on this. This is adjudication of arrears. I'll ask the agent to give us the numbers.
Yes, as of February 28, 2023, the total, start over. The CP affidavit as of July 7, 2022 stated $972. We brought that number forward to February 28, 2023. The total arrears are $3,240. The current payment is $324. And the repay, we're asking for $65 to start on April 1st, 2023.
All right, go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. And we would also be asking court costs and service costs in this matter.
All right, Mr. Griffin, you got to say anything you want to say?
I don't comply with that, no ma'am. Because of the simple fact, I have an order in place by the judge here that says that if she complies with the order in place, then I comply and I pay child support. I offer this. I put this order in place. I paid to put this order in place, and she has yet to comply with this order. She does nothing to comply with this order, and I have evidence. And I just told her that I'm gonna get her back in court, and she filed this situation on me now. And when we agreed to jointly take care of my daughter as we supposed to, I'm an active parent all the time, so I'm always involved. So she could call me at any point and let me know of anything. We had one disagreement, which was she's not been following the whole order.
So what is it that you're saying that she's not doing?
She's not, she hasn't let me see my daughter over one day. She kept my daughter away from me for a full year.
Now, hold on a minute. Let me correct something. All right, I probably should have said this at the beginning. It doesn't matter whether she lets you have visitation or not. Child supports always do. And same thing with it doesn't matter if you ever pay. She still has to let you see them. So you still, this is money that you owe.
Yeah, but she doesn't. I don't see my daughter. I don't see her. So if she don't comply with this order,
Your Honor, in order to not take up any more of the court time on this, we would ask Mr. Griffin. We had set a settlement back in February, and neither party attended. If the agent want to, I'll ask Supervisor Samsudeen, if we could set another settlement on this.
yes, and another thing, I don't.
Mr. Griffin, all of that will be discussed at settlement, because at this point, we're here today for the adjudication of the arrears. That's what we're seeking. So if you would let us continue this case. We will give you an opportunity to come into settlements to be able to present all the documents that you have.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
What day can we get them on for settlement?
I'll have to check because as you previously stated, he had an opportunity on February 27th, but I'll have to look at the calendar to
I
see.
Your
never
Honor, I
knew
was
of an
there
opportunity.
February.
Woo, one at a time, one at a time, one at a time, one at a time. Let's get this man a date.
Okay, I have to, gonna take a
Do we
second.
think we can get a date?
We
before
can
May?
get them a date and submit that, send a letter to both parties again.
Your
And
Honor, I
for the
showed up
settlement.
February 27th.
Ms. Evans,
For court.
stand by. Let Ms. Sampson in talk, please.
We will schedule another settlement date for both parties to appear. I will send it, it'll be sent via mail, and we will also post it on the case, the settlement date and the appointment.
Okay, so in lieu of that, let's continue to 10/18 to give you time to do that.
So I will be notified of a date. So
You need to
Yes, we
give
will
us,
notify you again of another date.
you need to
Okay.
make sure we have your email address, sir. You can put it, I'll ask the agent to send you a chat. Put your
Okay.
email in there so that, because the settlement will be virtual as well. So we'll need to send you the link. So just make sure, and I'm also asking the custodial parent to do the same. I know we may already have it, but in the interest of being able to have everything in front of us, if you both can just submit your email and we'll set up another settlement date.
What's our next compliance date with them?
We're gonna continue this to 10/18/23.
All right, I'll make sure y'all are all squared away in October. Thank y'all. Y'all can go ahead and leave the
Your
meeting.
Honor, can I say something, please?
Is it anything about you showing up in October?
Well, she said that nobody showed up on 2/27, which I did show up, and she said that nobody was able to get in contact with him yet.
Okay,
And
so
so I
handle
don't
that.
understand why, because he says he has an order. He sees his daughter every other weekend. So that is a lie.
Ms.
Okay.
Evans, we
Nope,
can
nope,
discuss
no,
all
no,
this.
no, no,
There's
no,
also
no,
2 days
no,
a
no,
month.
no, we're not doing this. Nope, not today. We're not doing this. Y'all handle that at the child support office. It's about
Thank you,
visitation.
Your
Y'all
Honor.
handle it somewhere else. This is just about this period. That's it. Thank y'all.
Yeah, and he hasn't
Stay
paid
healthy
in a
and
whole
safe.
year.
Have a good weekend. Thank y'all. All
Thank you,
right,
Your
we got Denathan Henderson.